Before we even start writing, before we put pen to paper or type, because this is the 21st century, it's important to get the essentials right. I'm now going to introduce you to the 3 fundamental principles that you need to master in order to write successful copy. I'm going to show you that when you don't get these 3 things right, your copy goes wrong. Those 3 things are what I like to call the 3 C's. Clarity, connection, character. So let's introduce those 3 C's in order. Clarity is about expressing your ideas in a straightforward manner, because simplicity is the key to success when it comes to sales. Connection is about how you use words to bond and form a trust with your reader that will get them to do whatever you want them to do. And character is how you build trust with your reader by giving your words a personality. Think about it. If the words aren't clear, then as the reader, you aren't going to understand the message. And if you don't feel a connection with the words on the page, you certainly aren't going to make a purchase. And if there's no character in the writing, then you might just get bored and stop reading altogether. And then you've lost a customer. You need to master all of these 3 qualities if you want to write successful copy. And over the next few modules, we're going to look at each of the 3 C's in more detail with specific examples that you can apply to your writing. I'm going to teach you techniques that you can use to make sure that you're hitting all 3 C's in your copywriting every single time. I'll see you in the next lecture.